C2 is a technology integration company that specializes in low voltage systems. We design and install structured cabling, fiber optics, electronic security, which includes video surveillance and access control. So we're based out of Alabama with offices in both Montgomery and Birmingham, but we serve clients all over the Southeast, including education, healthcare, municipalities, industrial and manufacturing.
We have a unique ability to be able to go in and collaborate with the customer. We can come in and can build that design phase for them.
When you're choosing C2, you're choosing a partner and you're choosing value. Our job is to come in and help solve real problems for you. So the ideal client for us is someone where we can come in, we can start building a relationship, learn what their pain points are, where we can be a good fit for them, and then through that we can consult with them, help them make good decisions, help them with their budgeting cycles, and be a long-term resource for them.